In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan received in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through the cleanest way to reflect money you've borrowed so your cash goes up, your liability is created, and your reports stay accurate. First, open QuickBooks Online and click the plus Create button. In the menu that appears, look under the Other section and choose Journal Entry. A journal entry is ideal for this because it lets you increase your bank balance and record what you owe in one place, with a matching debit and credit. At the top, set the journal date to the actual date you received the loan. Using the true loan date keeps your balance sheet and cash flow statements aligned with your bank and any loan documents. Now you'll enter 2 lines. On the first line, choose the bank account where the loan money was deposited. In the debits column, enter the full loan amount. This tells QuickBooks that your cash increased by that amount. On the second line, select Loan Payable for the account and enter the exact same amount in the credits column. This creates or increases your liability, showing that you owe this money back. Your debit and credit should match perfectly, so the journal entry balances. If you don't see Loan Payable in your list of accounts, you can add it on the fly. Click Add New, and when QuickBooks asks for an account type, choose either long-term liabilities or short-term liabilities. Pick long-term if the loan will be paid off over more than 12 months, and short-term if you'll pay it within a year. Name the account Loan Payable, then click Save and Close to return to your journal entry. Using a clear name like Loan Payable makes it easy to track and report on this balance later. Before you move on, give the entry a quick check. The bank account line should show the loan amount as a debit. The loan payable line should show the same amount as a credit, and the totals should be equal. This ensures your cash increases while your liability reflects what you owe, with no impact on your income statement from simply receiving the funds. That's all you need to record the loan you received. From here, future repayments and interest will be handled separately, but this journal entry sets the foundation by capturing the original loan correctly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.